Hello students, a very pleasant morning. Hope you are doing good. Students, in the last class, we did the solution of extraction part of literature. Section A, literature extraction portion was completed in the last class. You must have watched the video and understood how to choose the correct option in extractions. Today we are going to do the solution of literature in section B, question answer part. Already I told you about the question pattern. Your extractions will be in section A and question answers will be in section B. You will get 2 marks question, 3 marks question and 5 marks question. And you will get 4, that means 2 marks question, both from first flight and footprints without feet. 2 questions you have to attempt. 3 marks questions the same way and 5 marks questions also the same way you will get. Now in literature is of 40 marks. Out of 18 question paper you will get 40 marks literature, 10 marks you will get extractions and rest 30 marks in the question answer form. Today we are going to discuss about 2 marks question. So, word limit for 2 marks question, it is 20 to 30 words. See students, you are supposed to be in word limit when you write the answers. Word limit should not be exceeded. It should be 20 to 30 words, not more than 30. If you exceed 1 or 2 marks, it's okay, but don't exceed 8 to 10 words more. Don't make it 40 or 45 words. It is only up to 30 words. That means for attempting 20 to 30 words, you will get 2 marks for each question. For each answer, you will get 2 marks. What you are supposed to take care of, you have to write paragraph recommended, paragraph wise you will write, and you will avoid listing of points. Don't write anything point wise, because listing point wise, if you write point wise, it will lead to reduction of marks. Because in language, we never accept point wise writing the answers. Paragraph is recommended. Whenever you get 2 marks question, you have to attempt 20 to 30 words and stating minimum 2 rationals. For each question, at least 2 rationals, 2 reasons you are supposed to give depicting support of or reference to textual evidence. From the taking reference from the text, you have to give at least 2 reasons for your answer. Answers should not be very short. You should not write in 1 word or only in 1 sentence. At least 2 reasons for each answer you are supposed to put. Then only your answer will be completed. Now let's see. In section B, it will be your section B literature part, question number 10. Okay, you will get 10, 11, 12 and 13. Earlier you had only 12 questions you are getting, and now you are getting, earlier you are getting 11 questions, now it is 13. Because earlier you are getting 8 marks question, now you will get 5 marks, 2 long questions you will get, both from first flight and from footprints without feet. Question number 10. Answer any 2 questions in 20 to 30 words, each from A and B respectively. As I told, that first 3 questions in question number 10, A, you will get 3 questions from first flight. Then you have to attempt any 2 questions. The same way in question number 10, B, you will get 3 questions from footprints without feet and you have to attempt any 2 out of 3. And as I told you, at least 2 rationals you are supposed to put forth for completing your answer. Question is, how did Peggy justify her cruel behavior towards Wanda? This is the 100 dresses. I think you remember the chapter. You have 2 chapters. The 100 dresses first and 100 dresses second. Chapter number 5 and 6 in your first line. So, how did Peggy justify her cruel behavior towards Wanda? 2 rationals you have to put. She felt you have to write the complete answer. I have written point wise for your understanding, but you are not supposed to write point wise. You have to write paragraph wise, and the complete answer you have to write. I have given only the points for the answer. Okay, you have to write paragraph wise and complete answer. Like Peggy justified her cruel behavior towards Wanda, saying that in this way you completely write, and I have written only the points in all the answers. She felt Wanda lied about her dresses, and second is Wanda was not ordinary as she had a funny name, and third is she means here Peggy, believed that she was just having fun and didn't mean to harm Wanda. These three rationals are given for this answer. So these are the three rationals. You have to write it in a paragraph with the complete answer. Next question, describe how Custer's reaction was different from that of others on seeing the pirate. The tale of Custer the dragon, this is the point. So, others ran away to hide or fled away from the scene or escaped to hide. And Custer was the only one who stood up to fight with him, or who attacked him, or who attacked the pirate. So these are the two rationals, and your word limit will be completed and answer will be completely correct. So this way you have to write the complete answer. Next is, who according to Nelson Mandela is a courageous man? I think you remember chapter number 2, first slide, Long Walk to Freedom. Okay, Nelson Mandela. Who according to Nelson Mandela is a courageous man? Not someone who does not experience fear. Who is a courageous man? Someone who does not give in to it, or someone who conquers fear or who wins over fear. I have given you point wise, but taking these answers, point wise answers, you have to write the paragraph and write the correct answer. So you have to write the answers in your fear notebook. Next, coming to the next part of question number 10. As I told, 3 questions you will get from first slide. You have to attempt any 2. Word limit will be 20 to 30 words and 2 marks each question. At least minimum 2 rationals you are supposed to write or completing your answer. And paragraph wise write the answer. Listing of point wise will lead to direction of marks, and they take the support from or reference from the text. Then moving to the next part, it is again in 10 question number 10 B. Again 3 questions you will get from your second book, from your supplementary book Footprints Without Feet. And here also you have to choose any 2 questions and you have to answer any 2. Now see the first question. Why did Oliver Atkins' mother laugh as she chased him and Bill away? So remember the chapter, the head driver. So here the points are given. She knew her son Atkins pretending to be Bill. Secondly, the narrator's predicament amused her. So these 2 are the correct points. Taking these 2 points, write the answer in a proper way. Oliver Atkins' mother laughed. Did laugh is there, so you write laugh as she chased him and Bill away, because then you write the, taking these points you write the answer. Next question, why was it important for Mrs. Pomfrey to be a little cruel in order to be kind towards Tricky? Here, being over-indulgent, she was overfeeding Tricky, and she needed to cut down Tricky's food intake to help him regain his health. Be cruel to be kind. So, this way you will write the answer. These 2 points you will take and then prepare the complete answer. Try to understand to be a little cruel in order to be kind. That you need to understand. Next, last question of 2 marks. Third question, list any one characteristic of bullish teacher with reference to her first day at school. Give a reason for your answer. See student, if you write only one characteristic, then you will not get marks. That's why the question is given, give reason for your answer. You also have to give evidence. You also have to support your characteristic that you will give by showing the reason for that particular characteristic. I think you remember the chapter. It is chapter number 9, Boli. She was kind, encouraging, empathetic, assuring, or you can write any of the characteristic, any other relevant trait from the text. Whichever trait, whichever characteristic you feel, you can write. It's not necessary to write the characteristic given by the teacher. You can write of your own. If you find any other characteristic of the teacher, you can write. And you also have to give reason that why do you think that this is the characteristic trait of the teacher on the very first day, to her first day at school. Because you can say that she was encouraging. How? She encouraged her to speak her name completely. You know, Boli was stammering. Okay, so she stopped speaking because she was stammering. But it was her teacher on the very first day when Boli was stammering, when she uttered her name, it was her teacher who encouraged her to speak her name completely. And this way, the teacher's encouragement made her to speak her name completely and stop stammering. And also she showed her concern. She was empathetic, she was kind, she was concerned. So she showed her concern. She was concerned. She paid attention towards Boli on her very first day, which made her capable of coming to school every day. If the teacher had not been concerned, if she had not paid attention, then Boli would have stopped coming to school. So this way, students have to write 2 marks question. When you write 2 marks question, be very careful. Word limit 20 to 30 words, 2 marks it is. Marks you will allocate 2 marks only. Write in a paragraph and avoid listing point-wise. And apart from that, at least 2 reasons you are supposed to put to prove your answer correct, to complete your answer. Okay? So students, 3 marks questions, 40 to 50 words, we shall discuss in the next class. Till then, you write down the answers, all the answers in your fair notebook. And take care of yourself. Have a good day.